Good morning. My name is Tracy Sacalo, and I want to thank you for inviting me to your meeting today and want to start off by apologizing for not being able to make it. But I didn't want to miss the opportunity to tell you a little bit about myself. In April, I'll be running for a position on the District 117 Schools Board, and I would appreciate your support. My husband and I have lived in Palos Hills for the past 9 years. We have 3 children who attend schools in District 117. Our 2 daughters are 6th and 7th graders at Conrady, and my son is a 3rd grader at Oak Ridge. I've been a teacher at Andrew High School for 17 years. I feel that this will help me bring a new and interesting perspective to the school board. I have quite a bit of experience with Common Core standards, next generation science standards, and the PARCC testing that all students are going to be involved in shortly. I realize that I'm very lucky to be part of such a wonderful school district. My children are lucky to attend such great schools. But I also believe that we need to continue to increase the bar and increase student achievement, and I would like to be part of that process. I also feel that a good school board member should really foster the relationship between the community and the school board. I want to be part of helping to open the lines of communication. I want to increase community involvement in decisions that affect our children every day, and I would appreciate your support come April. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at tsukalo1975@gmail.com. Thank you.